Come test drive the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, perimeter alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.